I hate this football team. They ruined everything that is dear to me. They constantly mocked me. I've been preparing for this for a long time. I've been preparing for years. Finally, I will be able to do what I planned. I am the royal son. I can take revenge on them. I have everything ready. They were very unlucky that they contacted me. Very unlucky.